data file, which is a data.csv file. This is our data.csv file. It is a data set of temperature, light, air quality, humidity, dust measurement, etc. We have to write a Unix shell script to search any above of the data of different cities. Moreover, we should able to search day, month, or year wise too. Now, Unix shell script is a Linux environment based system, but as we use Windows, we have to do it in git bash. Now we create a file script 1.sh. this is our file. We use some command. The command this will print print the search term, read the input, and print the search term as input. It will print the result. We use a grep command to take input from the data.csv file, from this file. If this doesn't matches, echo not found. It means it will print not found. Now we have to go to the folder where we keep the script.sh file. This is it. We have to open git bash. To type chmod +x, my script name script 1.sh, enter. We have to type bash space or script name script 1.sh, enter. Please enter your search term. So we have to search from here. We can search any of the word from here. We see Boston here, so write Boston and press enter. It will show the result here. Like this, and our result is here. We can see that see the information about Boston here. And if there is no result, the command not, and this is our result. Thank you so much.